Hey guys, welcome back to my channel where we talk about health, fitness, wellness, and on what I eat off of Nutrisystem with whole healthy food. But first, if you're interested in trying Nutrisystem out for yourself or know a family or friend who would like to, please send them my link. They'll be able to get 50% off of their order, and I benefit from that myself. I highly appreciate it whenever you guys click on my link. It always helps my channel and helps my channel grow. Let's get into the yummy recipes. I'm going to show you guys what I ate over a couple of days. This is a double chocolate muffin, which was really good, and it is delicious when you heat it up. If you guys are not heating up your muffins, you are missing out. I just had this with some coffee. The next day I had a cinnamon bun bar. They are so good if you have not had them. They do kind of taste like cinnamon rolls. They're very sweet. So anyone who has a sweet tooth, this is for you. And today I'm just taking this to the salon with me while I get my hair done. For lunch I'm having a chocolate fudge graham bar for 200 calories. These are actually pretty good. I liked this one. And then I'm also having a Zevia black tea that is flavored peach. It has 0 calories because, you know, it has stevia in it. It's pretty good. And then later on a chocolate protein shake. For lunch the next day I'm having 3 cheese chicken pasta, I suppose. So this is what it looks like uncooked, and then you just add water, heat up a little bit, and voila. For one of my dinners I'm having the chili with beans. I love chili so much, so I was happy that this was on the menu. It tastes okay. It's pretty small, as you can see. And then this is just a clip of in between. I was doing some shopping for new clothes, and I'm really vibing on the whites. Anyway, for the next day I had creamy chicken Alfredo, and this is about the size of it. It's a little bit of a bigger portion, so I was happy. And I'm just sneaking on my kids a little bit as they're being sweet. So this is my chicken Alfredo dinner. I have my cup of vegetables, which is just green beans, which I actually love, so it's perfect. And then I just put 1 piece of bacon on top of there as an extra. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Nice and simple, but I just wanted something a little bit extra since I won't be adding extra salt. And for one of my snacks this week, it is a peanut butter cookie. So this is larger than some of the other little mini cookies, and it's softer where the other tiny ones are pretty hard. And then the next day I had the chocolate chip cookies for 140 calories, and these are itty bitty and they're a little bit more hard, so I like to have them with some coffee. I'm gonna have some black coffee with this time, and decaf because it's the end of the night, but it is so good and a nice end of the day treat. Alright guys, that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys liked it, don't forget to like it. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Don't forget to check out my link. It really does help my channel a lot. It helps it grow, and it helps me make more videos like this for you guys. I love you guys. I appreciate you, and I hope you have a great rest of your day.